category next winner. Video.
In our armed forces, one lesson that we are taught from day one is you should be absolutely clear. Tomorrow there should remain no ambiguity between you and the person who is facilitating. Anyways, thank you all for giving me an opportunity to come have a word with you.
Mr. Dhiresh, I request before you speak, please switch off your YouTube, please, because we won't be able to hear. Please ensure that your YouTube is off.
Yes, it is off, ma'am. From my side, there is no YouTube is running. I am Colonel Dhiresh Tripathi. I am ex-army, spent almost about 21 years in armed forces. And thereafter, it was my passion and desire to do something whichever ways possible for most of our youth, boys and girls equally, to join the armed forces, to join the IPS services, to join CAPF, CRPF, and so on and so forth. In this, we as an institution, we take on one thing totally free: counselings to parents, counseling to students. And believe you me, all of you eminent personalities sitting out here, the most impossible people to counsel or to guide or to explain to them anything is not the student per se, it is the parents, the mother or the father, who are the last people who want their children to go in the battlefield. So that happens to be one of the strength of ours. We do it pan India. In fact, now we have gone to global also in Middle East. And I thank you, the entire team, especially Survi, because I'm interacting with you, and your other people who are at the backstage, for honoring us and giving us a pedestal where we happily can tell our children. I mean, there are our classes which are still going on. So most of the students, they are hooked onto one of the TVs and they are watching their own sir sitting and taking the award. Thank you very, very much for giving the honor to us. Thank you, Survi.
Thank you, Dhiresh. Ghanshyam, I know you have a TV program in next 1 minute, so I'll let you go. Thanks for being in here, and I'll send you all the recordings of all the winners. I'm sure they would want to connect with you in all your initiatives you're doing.
Thank you, Survi, and I congratulate everyone once again. It is very inspiring to me personally to be here with this eminent group of educators who are leading from the front, even in the face of this pandemic, with a lot of hard work and a lot of aspirational strength. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you, Ghanshyam. We'll see you soon. Speak to you soon. All right. So, congrats, Dhiresh, sir. Congrats for doing all the good work you have been doing and inspiring. And in fact, I'll connect with you more to talk about girls in armies and navies and defense services. All right. So, word of encouragement, Pranav. I think we cannot give word of encouragement to Dhiresh, sir, but we can talk whatever, maybe what we get inspired from.
Sir, it's such a pleasure to kind of honor you here and the good work that you've been doing at Cadetto India. I think we are all honored because specifically, like you mentioned, even during these times, things are going on, and that's what is inspiring, and that's what motivates everybody in the education community to move things forward, because these are tough times, and if during these times you are able to kind of take things forward, then I think the country is in good hands. So congratulations once again from my side.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. Let's move to our next.
Dr. Sarita also wants to say something.
Yes, Dr. Sarita.
Yeah, Dhiresh, you are doing a wonderful job. And as we feel that these days not many students are inclined to get into the defense services, especially abroad. Middle East, we find that there are lots of students, Indian students over here. And they would require some guidance or some motivation which will help them. A platform like yours would be an ideal thing to promote that the students join up the defense services. I think that is a needed thing. And
It would be my pleasure, ma'am. It would be my pleasure, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ma'am. I'll definitely do the best that I am able to.
Okay, thank you. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
All right, let's move to our next video team. Let's